Hey there, cheese lovers. Get ready to dive into a world of gooey cheesy goodness with the Melting Pot's famous Cheddar Cheese Fondue. This dish is a true celebration of flavor. It's perfect for sharing with friends and family. Grab your favorite fondue pot, add in some beer, fresh garlic, dry mustard powder, and Worcestershire sauce, and you're going to give this a whisk. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grate your cheese. Now use the cheese from a block because the cheese from a package doesn't melt as well. We're going to add a little bit of cornstarch to help bind this together. Then you're going to whisk in small amounts of this cheese and whisk it until it becomes wonderful and gooey. So you know what the best part about the recipe? It's not just the cheese. It's about the experience. Gathering around the fondue pot with your loved ones, laughing and savoring each cheesy bite is what makes this dish truly special. Whether you're dipping crisp vegetables, crusty bread, or even meatballs, this mouthful is a delightful adventure. If you want more Copycat recipes, come to copycat.com.